Hello, my name is Lida Jimena Bolaño Sanacona, and this video will answer the questions that are present in the Git for Please number 4 of the course Foreign Language Education and Learning. In today's video, I will talk about in the importance of evaluation process. Then today education has a new paradigm where the teacher has to be a guide for the students in the station learning process. It has to be down through competencies are key significant learning during the teaching learning process. The teacher must collaborate so that their student um, they has opportunities to explore, participate, and transform their previous knowledge and molding. I through they experience acquire in the classroom. This process must be super the evaluation to do that the teacher can verify results activity my improving educational quality that this evaluation is the instrument b which it can be improving and that helps us to collect reliable information which allows all the analysis and to operate an international process of the institution. In conclusion, the evaluation process now allows us all to know what the strengths they will, what they need to improve it, and how much they have learning. And the evaluation as has all the teacher because throughout this process we can observe which of the teacher the strike are not working, which teaching strikes need to organize different or restricted and which on need to be discarded because they have not been manifold or the internet to or strength. Uh, Next, I am going to answer the question of the activity that Raul and Priya are to correct. Um, Question number 1. What are the strengths and the weaknesses of a teacher market? The strength of Raul is that is specification when naming the errors is very clear and conscious. As Wakings is that I do not wholesale or regret that their student likes and I don't correct grammatical errors. Priya strength hard that she has she has a grace math that is pleasing to her students. Her workings are that she died no correct grammar errors correctly and she is not very specific and dynamic grammatical errors. Question number 2. What advice would you give Raul and Priya? I will advise Raul and to host a grab stand to encourage their students and write in the detail for grammatical errors. And I will advise Brian to be more specific and we giving feedback and also to check in detail for grammatical error. Answer number 3. And neither Raul nor Priya correct the error outline 3 play about. What do you think that is? In the day, they not make decoration because they skill do not have a nugget, a knowledge of the outlet of the sentences since they are the teacher at time. Question number 4. I I if you were the teacher of the learning, which type of errors will you choose to focus on class one? I will focus on the grammar, and this is important because it is the way the words are the combined so that other people can understand you. Question number 5. How do you usually correct grades? Do you do it in the Sandro and Priya? What I will do has you underline the small words and the evaluation critical. I will explain to their student with they understand those words. Thank you so much.